Welcome to DJ.
My correct people, greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJ TV. My people, this whole gbege of the arrest and release of Labour Party national chairman called Julius Abure. Hey, the thing it don't flood the whole internet, don't be smart. How they take carry him? They say how the police said, according to police, they invite them for questioning. But the pictures and videos people they see online not be like invites. Because for Nigeria now two different things. Invite and arrest, they're different. Anyway, I'll play this video for now. Now listen to this their media publicity chairman they call Musa Sanko in talk concerning wetin make them go arrest him or wetin make them invite am as police talk. And also now still watch this video where they release am, wetin they talk. Say a little this whole thing. How waiting is talk. My people, this whole thing it's thumper. Just watch this video and listen to the publicity chairman of Labour Party. Watch and share. We'll come back.
2 days before the primaries of the Labour Party, you are arresting the chairman and under a very appalling situation.
Well,
what does that say of our democracy internationally? You see a chairman of a political party and you're hauling him down on the street like that. It doesn't make sense.
Well,
no matter what the accusations are.
When you spoke, when you spoke about internal mechanism, yes, one wonders why your party is just speaking now. If you recall, there's been a series of allegations. Well, now we're not getting to where the police is on this matter about forgery. One from Plateau State, you must have heard of Johanna Magif, who accused Mr. Abure of forgery. There's also that of Splendor Okoeze in Ebonyi State, who also accused him of forgery, and another gentleman who also did the same in Edo State, saying that, look, you put our signature on documents saying that we're pulling out of this race when actually we aren't. Your party was silent on that. Perhaps these are build-up to what we're dealing with at the moment before the police is apprehending Mr. Abure in possession of a firearm.
Possibly you are not on this desk at the time in which I addressed that particular matter. Right here on this table. I was one of the people that addressed this particular matter, and I brought documents to showcase whether you allegedly that Abure did forge one signature or the other. So we spoke. In fact, to a point in which we also said that these cases are already in court. And of course, there's forensic investigation based on the matter to confirm whether there was actually...
You said internal mechanism. So,
yeah, I'm giving...
so this doesn't fall within internal mechanism.
No. The internal mechanisms were for investigation within the party. Okay? And then the investigation within the party also gave us the room to come and publicly publicize what we are doing to confirm whether there was indeed a forgery or not. And then that was also taken off our shores back to the table of the police, and up till now this particular case is still in the court.
So exactly when did the process of investigating through your internal mechanism to determine, these allegations, whether they be true or not, when did you start that? And I mean,
right immediately when there were allegations. Even how far back now?
I
think it's just a couple of months ago.
Okay.
It's just a couple of months ago. But you see, the problem is that before they could deal with one issue, they come up with another issue. So we feel it's like a choreographed and a calculated attempt to bring disdain and disrespect to the party. So if you notice it, the trend is going gradually.
Who wants the party to look bad? Who really wants
to we have oppositions for crying out loud. People, we are moving and we are generating a lot of interest from the Nigerian youth. People believe in us. And so that particular trend is causing a lot of sleepless nights to those who in power. So they will do.
Are you saying Julius Abure, the chairman of your party who's embattled now, is totally above board? No. I mean, if you say you set the ball rolling on investigations about some months back, and to date you really haven't come out with a clear report that exonerates Julius Abure from these allegations.
Remember, at every point in time, the National Working Committee will come out with a statement as regard to every allegation that was being made on the chairman. And even if you are giving him a fair hearing, you could see that when he was explaining some of this particular thing, some people were not even informed about some of the happenings that took place.
On the case of
Labour Party National Chairman Julius Abure has been released by the Nigerian Police Force.
Hey, how are you? I appreciate all of you for the solidarity, for the support. and for your commitment.
Yes, sir.
No struggle to liberate a country comes easy.
Yes.
Many countries of the world where freedom fighters have fought for the emancipation of the people. Freedom fighters suffer injustice, suffer persecution.
Sure.
And it is what is happening to me and my other colleagues since after the general election. After the general election, they have tried to instigate crisis in the party. They tried to bring false accusation against us. They have come to talk about forgery at the time. When it didn't work, they came with embezzlement. Any person that is aggrieved within the party, they go and instigate them to write petition and to make job. And the irony is that the police even act on those things. At the end of the day, they will discover that those things are false.
Are frivolous.
National, oh yeah! Oh yeah! Today, yesterday, we were making arrangements for the primaries. And of course, the police swamped on us, arrested us over what I would not want to discuss now, yes, because investigation is still going on.
Sure.
Clap for chairman!
My people not be small thing, no. When we small, we dey hear one slogan that time. They talk like they say politics is a dirty game. Politics is a dirty game. Me, I don't know the meaning of that word. When they hear where they talk and was seen that time they talk and politics na dirty game. It's a dirty game. Now this whole thing wey dey happen for this our Naija politics, e don dey confirm and say politics na dirty game. Just imagine, na national chairman na dey do like this today o, because anyway, my people, how una see this whole matter na reason am. Make una drop comments and make una no forget to like and share. Una know say na update we dey carry come for una. Make una share am so that those wey never see am go dey see am. Una do well. See you in our next video.
DJ